In this video, we will configure a bot that will check for resource subscription to access AI. In the previous video on AI, we have already connected ChatGPT to the chatbot and configured the limits. You can check it out at the link in the description. Let's go to our bot and select the Moderation tab. We need to create categories with the prefix mute to assign them to the user when he logs into the bot, thus limiting his access to AI. Click on the plus button. Let's write the name of the category. Repeat the same actions for the rest of the categories. Please note that the number of AI in the bot is constantly updated. The current names of comments can be found in the link in the description. Let's go to the Constructor tab. Expand the Start comment. Let's add a text block and write a welcome message. Let's add an inline keyboard. Choose the Condition button action. Let's give a name to the button. We have automatically created a condition button. Now we need to create two comments. The first comment will give access to the AI. The second comment will direct users to join the resource. Let's create a usual comment and give it a name. Add a text block and write that the user can start a conversation with AI. Let's add a Change Category section. Let's select the Change tab, and next to each created category, deactivate the tumbler. Let's add one more usual comment. Give it a name. Add a text block. And write that in order to use AI, you need to subscribe to the resource. In the inline keyboard, let's add a button. Give it a name. Let's select the action link and insert a link to the chat. Save. And add a second button that will give access to AI. Let's give it a name. In the jump to a comment or condition, add the created comment. Click the checkbox next to Show pop-up. Write a text message. Also click on the checkbox checking resource subscriptions and enter a text if the condition wasn't met. Let's save the changes. Let's expand the created condition button. And add a check for subscription. To do this, click the Edit button and select our resource. Let's change the name for the button and add the action Send comment or condition. Let's enter a name for the comment. In the exclusion rule, change the name for the button and add a Change Category section. Let's select the Edit tab, and in the front of each created category activate the tumbler. Let's also add the action, send comment or condition, and enter the name of the comment. Thus, if there is a subscription to the resource, the user will be able to start communication with the AI. Otherwise, the user will receive mutes and a comment with a link to join the chat will be sent. In the previous video, we already created a condition that will be activated when a no comment is entered. Let's add a subscription check to the last rule. In the exclusion rule, let's add the action, send comment or condition. And enter a comment name. Let's save and publish the changes. Go to our bot, then select the Events tab. Activate unknown comment, and in the Action tab we'll select comment or condition. Enter the name of our condition. Save the changes. Let's go to Telegram and check the work of the bot. Send the start comment. Click the button. The bot tells us that we need to join the chat first. Let's try to immediately click on the button to start chatting. A pop-up appears with a message about the necessity of subscribing to the resource. Now let's join the desired chat. And press the button again. The bot informs that we can start our communication with AI. Let's enter the necessary request. Great, we got a response from the bot. Thus, we have configured the bot that checks if there is a subscription to the resource for access to AI.